Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the hardware ready. Update the headset and job simulator, then enable hand tracking in your headset settings. You should position sensors or cameras at chest to eye level so hands stay visible, and clear the play area to avoid occlusion. Once done, disable controllers if the system asks, because you want pure hand input. Make sure lighting is steady, avoid bright backlight. This first step prevents tracking glitches and sets you up for accurate gestures in the game. Now you calibrate and practice. Run the headset's hand tracking calibration and complete any in-game tutorial for gestures. You'll practice pinch, grab, and open palm motions within the recommended sensor range about 1 to 2 meters. While doing this, pay attention to finger spread and wrist angle. Make deliberate motions to teach the system your motion profile. If movement feels jittery, adjust sensitivity in settings and use a physical surface or props to anchor gestures. Finish by testing full job simulator sessions and observing where gestures fail or get occluded. You should reposition sensors, tweak sensitivity, and restart the headset when tracking degrades. Make incremental changes and retest to isolate the cause. If problems persist, reinstall camera or hand tracking drivers or toggle the hand tracking toggle off and on. As a key troubleshooting tip, if tracking cuts out frequently, check light sources and reflective surfaces first. They are the most common culprits and often resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.